Good morning team Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog.
If it have any structural damage.
We have to go check. In today's vlog now we're going to do a viewing for a unit that is being sold. It is being sold as a fixer up or so potential investment if you guys look at things that way or houses that way. So we're going to have a look at it, see if it can fix and if it the amount of work that is needed to be put into it versus what it is going for, if it actually makes sense to where houses go for in the community. So this house was recommended by a friend and she was saying that it's a potential investment. Just have a look at it and judge it for yourself. So I'm just carry you guys along with me just to show you a regular day in the life of being Ismash. Some of the things where I get my hands or my feet wet into, you know. So tag along with me. The owner supposed to the home and him supposed to give, no, not the owner, it's somebody who has stayed here, the owner overseas. So he's supposed to show me a place. So I'm going to determine whether or not it is a good investment. So again, Kwanzaa is with me and we're going to see if this is worth it. So let's go. Still not hear nobody. John was there. Come here. 1 hour ago, I'm gonna tell him to come back 1 o'clock. So I'm feeling same asleep. I'm feeling same asleep and cha-cha. I don't know. But it seems as if I have to go view it from the outside. Next one. Until I don't know if I want to wake up, go and make noise or whatever. I will see. Oh guys, this is the unit. I don't know much bedroom, no information on it as yet. I was just told to run come have a look at it and let's see what are the potentials of this unit. So far based on the outside we are seeing that it is in deplorable conditions. Whole heap of rebar exposed. Yo. Hello? Mr. Ro? What? Man, God no, man, no. Come in, go and look on it from the outside, yeah. And if you take a walk, again, exposed. I was told that the owners migrated and left the house. So, you know, human gives the house life. And nobody know in a house the longest while. So, the house are going to take time. Die, of course. Mr. Ro.
Sorrow.
Oh, that was some TLC doing on it. What? Yeah, man.
Really want to see that roof?
Oh, the slab up there, sir. The drop off here, sir, again. As long as it's slab now leak, you know, can't work with it, you know. Sure.
Mr. Ro. Mr. Ro.
Nah, I get nobody. I know this one look a garage. Yo, Toro. Green is as a youth. It's in the jump on people, you know. I see my solid.
On the base.
That's a 9-14 one. Yes, I know you're looking at so far, guys. Would you? Ah, boys on the price at the end of the day. Ah, boys.
Mr. Rowe.
Nobody. So, after me decide, say, alright, I got me yard. That guy here is nowhere to be found. I'm gonna drop off Nikon on my way back to my house. I'm on that, me say. So, I believe it makes sense. So, just do what we have to do. Without Nikon and done though. They are all long.
Can you imagine me, boy? I know say, I just find it and you say you come back and go to you. You can't see it again. Imagine say you must come here still. Yeah, man. Yeah, you can take a walk in there, boy, and take a book and I'll go to find eat a park and no salad.
Top what, no salad?
No, sir, you can even see important part of the building, you know.
Alright, what you have to tell me about the house now? How many make? How many make?
Who do it?
How many house built?
Oh, I mean, say, the people that come here yesterday, them take the information about everything already, yeah.
No man, me there today, you can't tell, you don't know when you build then, basically. You know when you build?
Yeah,
no, when the house built. If you have an idea when you build.
No, that's what they come here, man.
That's what they are.
About Jamaica when come here now. You can't take your right to the last. I don't know nothing about it.
Oh, you don't know nothing at all.
Just come here recently. A Monday.
Oh.
And your mother will come here and we'll stop. Everything been done from here. Start carrying.
Oh. So basically that was on the roof.
Our room and bathroom, they bought it up.
Then door can pull?
You can open them, man.
No, open it to me then. Because it's not flying.
By bathroom and the room, yes, sir.
I thought full remo. Full reno. Plumbing. I thought everything. And God, they look serious though. Slab dead. Wala sa kote salt content. Oh, I have like a termite, man.
Seaside, this is seaside, man, that's why, you know, when you crack up the carbon to such a still like this. You use the stone, the man, you never made a fall. Stone dust. Never.
No star. How you sell it to? In a shower closet?
Yes, I know, oh, close closet.
Hold on, no.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Don't kill me off, brother.
I know you're talking to the guys.
I tell you, don't fully pull him, man.
Yeah. You think you did that guy, man?
There, where they find you in a certain.
Go back on the bed. I think somebody did hang on and we're still there.
Right, laundry, you never know this.
It's kind of like back, don't it?
Yeah, man. Every room. A sofa. So, guys, what you guys think? So far, I want to think. I want to see purchasing potential. So, what kind of hidden gem do over that side of the house now?
But it's kind of like fiction and then part of the house like this.
So you know,
we have no access to over there. And they move so far over here every time when they go that down. And when you go to me, I have access to veranda. That's why I know where it's further.
It's a piece of house there, show me. I want to see what's going on over this. Oh, sir. So one of them plans to move back to Jamaica?
Yeah, man, she's still coming. Probably next month she's here.
So if you fly them, they do not.
No, so I'm going to eat and I'm trying to go in here.
I want to see it, man, because I'm interested, man. Just walk with me, man, because we're not touching nothing.
How?
Pull it on. Pull that side. Up me up now. Let's pull it two of them at the same time. Hold on, let me look. I'm looking for a lucky for anything. No, so I can't pull, man.
Try.
Just try two of them at the same time. Lift up that one there. Come now. Alright, come.
You understand?
Go on.
You see, I don't want to force you can get extra part. I don't want you to bring it again. But when they choose here, we'll have more different. Inside, not the problem, on the outside you see about you will tap on all the place, you know, so on the side and see how it's, you know.
Oh, you're going to need to see inside, I can't see.
But that's the problem, you don't know, it's the problem.
Not a problem where I look for. We want to see everything, we're not just go for look for problem.
Yeah.
Alright, so no.
Yes.
What the fuck? See thing up. You don't want to show me yours, you know.
Well, come here, man. Come here.
Brother, come like.
3 years there, 4 days. What the hell do you know about it?
So I do the right this and to touch it this time and fly up. Alright, so whole line has to jot down again. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch.
Touch paper, you look like, you know.
What do you think? You do construction?
Me? That's why you have cut.
Yeah, I cut. Oh my word.
It's a veranda over here, you know.
What we want to know?
I said, no, part of the car, people everywhere, and I just know, you can't do that.
That nigga's tripping.
You can't tell what happened. They must say that they really not say that. I don't know. I don't really know what took place. Nobody's going to put it to be selling and selling.
Oh.
So you see, you can't open up everywhere like that.
Alright, let me go. Well, the slab done. And if you slab this so bad, afraid of what they done this. Bathroom now, you're complete right now, man. Complete right now. I look for 5 million. Goodly, I go close to 10 million to clean this up right away. Right away. Listen, this is it. Anything else you want to tell? Oh, you say no, nothing else about the place?
No, sir.
Okay. Where's it?
I'm at the starting carry on there, so I took up from the store contract and say, you know, they are that way.
Okay.
Yeah, come here, to the yeah. Let's say, look at 4th there. I Thursday night I go study here go Paris.
Okay.
Yeah, so on the weekends. Yeah man, Thursday night.
Alright.
No, nothing but the place, man. We're going to stay now.
How much you them want feed? So basically guys, that's it for the house. And as you can see, the house basically not on a roof. The whole slab I broke down, I broke in, and if the slabs then still so bad, the walls them are cracked too. And that don't look like that worth. Because you have to buy a house and the land and then basically lick down most of it and build it back. I want to restart, and if me need to know all the houses to kind of calculate what really are going. And but based off of that, I don't know, that was look like a pass for me. I don't know if one are interested, but I make you know, because the person really wants to sell it, and you know, when they really want to sell it, sometimes you can score on price off it, but just know you have so much amount of work to be done to the unit, and based off of the numbers, you can tell whether or not it's a good buy. But for me, I wonder iffy, and to tear down my entire slab, that not sound fun, and that not sound cheap. So, team Ismash, I don't know what to think about that one day, but let me know. I am out.